I'm a storyteller. I'm a storyteller, homie. I'm a storyteller. I'm a storyteller, homie. Hey, 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 hey. I'm a storyteller. I'm a storyteller, homie. I'm a storyteller. I'm a storyteller, homie. Hey, 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 go. Hey, 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 go. I'm a storyteller. I'm a storyteller, homie. Hey, 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 hey. I'm a storyteller. I'm a storyteller, homie. Yeah. Come on, my little friends. It is about to go down. Yeah. It is about to go down. Come on, my little friends. Come on. Story time and its finest. I'm your boy, Mr. Billy, creator of Three King Visions. Hold up. I have my best friend right here, Busy. And my little friend say, hi, Busy. What's good, y'all? What's poppin'? Don't forget, subscribe to Three King Visions on YouTube. We got the best new kids show, and we kicking off Bookchella, day 2 of Bookchella. Shout out to Miss Portia. Oh, it's going down. I got 2 fire Black children's authors we're going to feature this week. So let's go ahead and get it started. Are y'all ready for story time? Yay! Welcome to story time. I'm Mr. Billy. Our first song of the day is Open Shut Them. My little ones, hold your hands up like this. Here we go. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them crawling, creep them crawling. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide and do not let them in. Yay! Uh-oh, Busy. Can I put you down, man? Yeah, man, I can't wait. It's Bookchella and turn up story time. Oh, man, I can't wait. Oh, man, let's go ahead and get it. Our first story of the day is I Fit In Just Right. Me and My Family, written by Sherricka Carpenter Stanley. Whoa. Everybody just calm down. You feel the vibes? I feel the vibes too. You know, I just can't wait for story time. Whoa, look at that beautiful black family right there. Hey, and my mommy's round belly feeding her is the best. Yeah. Peekaboo under daddy. Asleep on his tired chest. Whoa. Here we go. I fit in just right. Yes, you do, young tween. Yes, you do. Through my mama's camera lens, inside of my daddy's shoes. Jimmy Legs laugh, forgot mom, forgot dad, only boo-boos. Do, 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 do. I fit in just right. Everyone say it together. I fit in just right. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Hold up, y'all. Whoa! Wrapped up on my sister's lap, on my back, little brother jumps. Whoa! Little brother jumps beside great granny for prayers. On my head, great granddad thumps, 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 thumps. Whoa! And I fit in just right. Everybody say it together. I fit in just right. Stuck between my siblings in daddy's football holes. Looking for grandma's chair. Close to granddaddy's goal. Don't you love your grandparents? I do. And guess what? I fit in just right. Yes, you do. Apple of my uncle's eye. Kissing on my auntie's sweet lips. Give your mama, your daddy, your grandmama, your grandpappy a kiss right now. Surrounded by Meemaw and cousins. I love my Meemaw. Sitting close near Papa's hips. Hey, black families are beautiful. Yes, they are. You know why? I fit in just right. I fit in just right with my Meemaw and my Papa. Joking with my uncles. For my aunties, I dress my best. Beside my best friend. Next to Superman's chest. Whoa! And guess what, y'all? I fit in just right. Whoa. Okay, y'all, but guess what? Up high in winter snow, among the springtime trees, beneath the summer sand, underneath all the leaves. Whoa. Everybody just calm down. Whoa. And guess what, y'all? I fit in just right. Whoa. They taking a selfie together. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Big smiles for a vacation pic. Matching for a holiday one. Cheering for our favorite team. Time with family is fun. Yeah. It's fun, y'all. And guess what? Cause I fit in just right. Just right. We fit in just right. Black families is so beautiful. This is my family. And I fit in just right. Black is beautiful, y'all. Black is beautiful. Yes, it is. The end. Yay! Hey, Busy, what do you think of that story? Oh, man, that brought back memories. I sure do love Ciara. Hey. Man, chill, man. Everybody just kind of, I do. Hey. Busy, everybody just calm down.